Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sirdar ka ilaka Laitkroh uba pailastar karkongor hakala asngi ublay ka arpulay trik ujliw arhajar apusan ulayo ya kakabu kabakarpang ban Plie ya kayeng kabadang syudap ban Thymmai jangga kar arsnong Laitkroh CNRD block ha kajing edan lang Menteri rangba kajela ukonrat sangma ki MLA kata uba given Miguel Melim Bat uba Matthew Bion Kurba. Haba ay jingkran ha kanegasngi na kalyang Menteri rangba kajela ukonrat sangma uloong ba kajingkular jong ka sorkar ban penyasno ya kinong yalam shnong bat kipat ba ha ki mau jam bakongsan jong ka roy kapar. Nginget ba kajing senchar ka bakentup lang kasdang da kajing pentray kam banyeshim bentalang kajing plepat ba e kimar ki mata jong ka sorkar da kinong yalam shnong kum Sirdar kapan ya kajing tumu jongi ban wanra ya kajing senchar kamjan syakipat ba bat ban penrung ya kajing sngo jong kajing kit kli lang bat kajing long try shu uloong bahaba ngila shimti ya kakam hausnem arhajar khatpra ngilalap babun ki Ophis jong ki block kidan ha kajing long jingman kabaduna kumta nadu katay kapor ngila shim ya karukom trekam kabalong kum mission mode ban penbaha ya ki jingtay ha ki than nong kendong ha keleng ki district nadu kajing penbaha ya ki thanat bat ki Ophis subdivision hadu kajing ai jingbet ya ki jaka tre kam Thymmai jong ki DC ki jaka sa jong ki nong tre bat ki jaka tre kam babon rukom bat ngidang tre bante ya ki nong rim kabaklan na kabanta kajing sensyar kababaha bat kaba ai jing mentoy ya ki pat ba
Minister Jingdon jong state bagi officer iba senior bagi MLA jong Thai katum jingso ko Thymmai jong ko sorkar lalu untar kini baru ka Thymmai an Plie patba reki ri patba kum kajing gadak populi baga jinya sapang kamri kam jong sorkar re kam jong patba ame ko por middle pangi jadi ba pailastar hartmo dari Sirdar jog ilaka Laitkroh beliau berkhap diri urban kumedap berpergi ba Plie ya kaying rekam Thymmai.
Tapi nak kong siap ai ku abre nong bu nong thau pada nekat patni pada bogurom yai Minister pada bogurom jongi bagi amli jong ngomong tang tu sorah bagi ai urusan repair di department terutama di sini di pleno ini ke blok Thymmai jong kalai jong ka Arsenal Laitkroh yang sering di blok kalau jika ku yang karoi kepa di kethan jong ka jongi nak utai ni Jingdon kam nak force ka por ka Jingdon kam nak utai karoi pada imam salam ini ai boleh yang di barolan jadi pleno senton ketika blok di kam Thymmai.
Sirdar of the Laitkroh Ilaka, Sri Palestar Karponger, our respected MLAs present out here, our respected officials out here, and all our citizens of this particular block. I first of all would like to congratulate the CNRD department, which has been doing an excellent job in order to not just improve the infrastructure in different blocks, but also as a department in the last 7 years, the CNRD department has been doing wonders, I should say, where all the flagship programs and schemes, we have seen exponential growth in almost all the major schemes that are being implemented by the CNRD department. Apart from that, we realized that the block offices in most of the blocks were not in a good condition. So therefore, we have decided to start with the block offices, and in all the 46 blocks and the new 10 blocks, new buildings have been sanctioned. After this, we will also be further going and creating the staff quarters or repairing or maintaining and providing different facilities. The third step will be to provide boundary walls, and the fourth step will be to have multi-purpose hall in all the block offices. So we are doing it in a phase-wise manner. As you all will recall, that most of the block offices have been left in a dilapidated condition for the last 30 years, and not much was done at a large scale. It is only during the time of the MDA government that we have decided to give new block offices to the blocks. In almost every police thana also you will see now repair and maintenance is going on. All the civil subdivisions also have been given new buildings, repairs have been done. Places where there were no DC offices have been given. So overall administration has been strengthened at every level, and today is another example and testimony of this commitment of our government to ensure that we strengthen the administrative setup and ensure that better service is given to the public at the grassroots level.